Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't really made a video on here for a while. Want to say I'm gonna be more consistent, but you never know. Life gets crazy. But anyway, on this piece, I'm just kind of sketching it out to start with. Obviously, I had pulled out one of my old sketchboards, and there was already a piece of paper on it. I'm being taped off to be about 6 by 9, so it totally works. I was kind of looking to do something smaller anyway. I don't really do a lot of smaller paintings with this kind of detail, but I have been trying to challenge myself to do them. I want to say this is like, I don't know, second or third time doing it that small. But I usually like to start out with watercolor just to kind of map things in, and then I can kind of go back through with acrylic and kind of layer it till I like it. So here's kind of where I'm going in with acrylic. I like kind of having the watercolor background because I feel like it's a lot softer and lighter, and I feel like it blends into the paper really well, especially because she's laying on snow, so it's white obviously. So I wanted to leave a lot of the blank paper in there, whatever. This is kind of the point where I was thinking about how I wanted to quit this painting. But I didn't want to look at it like this, so you just kind of gotta keep going, keep painting until I guess you like it enough that you can call it done. I don't know if there's ever really a finished point for paintings, but I think there is some point where you kind of have to just let it be, let it be done, even though it's extremely hard sometimes. But yeah, just trying to find the contours in her dress, and then going through with a very tiny liner brush that I have honestly never even used, just still packaged and everything. But I'm glad I got the chance to use it and kind of mess around with it. I've always kind of wanted to try to get finer lines with a brush, and I think this brush really helped me use it, or do it, I guess. And yeah, so these last final tiny details and everything like that. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked this painting, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, you know. Thank you, have a good day.